Uh, Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about the tips and tricks, amazing tips and tricks about this Poco M8 5G smartphone. So without any wasting time, let's start the video friends. So friends, let's talk about our first tips and trick, that is digital assistance, how you can enable it shortly and quickly. Click on the search right here, gestures. Here it will show you gestures. So here it is, launch digital assistant. You can enable it from here. So it will tell you how you can enable it. Start using the Google Assistant. So you have to press it for half and it will enable Gemini or assistant from here. You can just sign in on from here. Friends, let's talk about our next settings, that is how you can take partial screenshot. So let's talk about it. First let's open the settings. Again, gestures, here it is, partial screenshot. You have to tap on here, you have to enable it from here, hold three fingers just like this. So you can see, you can crop it like this and take a screenshot like this. You can see, click on save and it will be saved successfully. Friends, let's talk about our third settings, that is how you can double press the power button to turn on your torch. So let's open the gestures again, click on turn on torch from here. You have to double press it. So you can see it has turned on the torch from here. You can see torch is on. So this is how you can enable the shortcut. Friends, let's talk about how you can double press the power button to launch your camera faster and quickest way. So you have to go to the settings, click on gestures. Here it will show you all the gestures. Here it is, launch camera. So there are two ways, double press the power button or double press the volume down. So you can enable it from here and you can just double press the power button like this. So let's open it. So you can see it has opened the camera now. So this is how you can enable it. So let's talk about our, so friends, our sixth trick is how you can change the style of power or shut downing your smartphone. So you have to click on gestures. Here it will show you power off. So you can press and hold the power button for 3 seconds and you can just press this volume up button and power button at the same time to turn off your smartphone. So friends, let's talk about our seventh setting. Friends, that is MI remote, how you can enable and what is this. So friends, sometimes your TV's remote is not working, so your phone can make as a remote. So here it is, the sensor of the remote also. So you can, how you can do it, click on this edit option. Here it will show you MI report and you have to click on this tick, it will be added. Tap on this, agree this. You can add your remote from here. Choose the remote if it is MI TV, AC, smart box, DVD player, camera, projector or AV receiver and even a fan. You can control it through your smartphone. So this is how you can. So friends, let's talk about our eighth setting. So first let's open this edit. So here you can see this is song search. You have to enable it from here. Click on this tick, tap on here, it will you can see play, sing or as the song. So you can, it will show you what the song's name here. So you can see, just tap on it and play a music, it will definitely, you can see it is listening right now. So it will tell the name of it and you can find out through this. So friends, let's talk about our ninth setting, that is bedtime mode. What is it? So friends, it is a screen sleep mode. You can enable it from here. Just first add it, click on this bedtime. So you can see, by doing this, it will silence your device, dim the wallpaper, change the screen to black and white at midnight. So you can see, and do not disturb for, you can enable also. Only calls from scattered contacts, repeat callers and alarms can reach you and the unknown ones will bother you. So you can enable it like this. So friends, let's talk about our 10th settings, that is from this also. So that is this, you can see Dolby Atmos. Let's enable it from here. Click on this tick. So here it is. So you can see when you just use it, Dolby Atmos is on. So when you start making a music or listening a music, it will be on a Dolby Atmos sound. So that is cool, and you will feel a different vibe. Let's talk about our another feature, that is 11th feature. So friends, that is circle to search. I will tell you what is that. So first click on this Google or anything you have. If you know about this, if you know about this, if you know about this, what is GPay, what is UPI. So if you want to know any particular detail of this, just you have to do is long press your home button and just circle it like this. So it will tell you in the Google section, and what is this, what is this about, aluminium, everything will be showing from here. And you can search anything like this, you can see. So this will tell you about whole the details of the thing. So friends, let's talk about another settings, that is 12th feature. Friends, that is game central. You can access every game, any game you want. You can see there are multiple games for free and online also. So you have to just tap on it and access this. So you have to just tap it from here, it will load the game from here, and then you have to click on play now. So friends, you can see game has been started. So you can see how cool the game is. You can play online without downloading or anything. So you can see, just you can use this. So you can see how cool the game is. So let's talk about another setting, that is 13th. So friends, our next trick is dark mode. You can enable it from the settings. Just tap on the settings, click on this, you can see display brightness. Here it will show you light mode and dark mode. You can enable it from here, dark mode, and you can see it is enabled now, and all the settings is in dark mode. You can use it from here. So friends, let's talk about our next settings, that is 15. So that is quick share. You can share any file you want. I will tell you how. So just type here files by Google or file manager, select the photo, video or anything you want like this. You can give all the permissions, like permissions. So let's click on that, browse. So you can select any app also, not only this application. You can click on gallery also, just select the application or photo from here, send it through quick share. You can see here it is quick share. So it will tell you who can share with you. Select enable it for 10 minutes or everyone. It will show you, just turn on the Bluetooth, it will show you the names of this. So here it is nearby device, tap on it and it will be sent. So this is how you can, this is the fastest way you can share any file. So friends, let's talk about our 16th settings, that is this. I will tell you, first click on the security. Here it is game turbo. You have to tap on here and you can see it is the game space. It is optimize your gaming experience by enabling various settings. Just click on the settings and you can see. So when you just enable this like this, so it will enable lots of mode like performance optimization, Wi-Fi, memory expansion. So it will enhance your overall experience while gaming. So you can enable that. So friends, let's talk about our next feature. So friends, our 17th setting is active apps, how you can see which app is active or not. So you have to go to this control center, long press this. Here it will show you active apps are gallery. You can stop it from here, search engine selector. It is one Xiaomi HyperOS. You can stop from here. You can see these are active apps. So friends, let's talk about our next trick. So that is this floating window. So I will tell you. So I have to open this Chrome as a floating window. So you have to click on this, enable it from here like floating window. So it will be in floating window. You can float anywhere and use this two application on one screen. Just by clicking on here. So you can see you can customize it like this, and you can open it on the full screen also. So friends, let's talk about our next settings. So here we go, let's click on this. Here it is DND. If you just select this, your calls and notifications will be turned off, and no incoming calls and notification will come when you just turn it on from here. So friends, let's talk about our next and last feature, friends, that is dual application. You have to click on security. Here it is dual applications. Click on create Instagram. I have selected. You can see it is creating a duplicate clone version of Instagram, and yes, it is created. So you can see there are two Instagram showing. You can run second account on it and you can use it. So friends, how you like this video, just tell me in the comment section. And I am also posting a new parts of this videos about tips and tricks of other mobiles also, and part of this one also. So give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.